Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an open envelope in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on Create a Design at the top of your Canva dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Instagram Post. This will give you a perfect square canvas to work with, which is ideal for designing your open envelope graphic. Once your canvas loads, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all of Canva's graphics, shapes, and illustrations. In the search box at the top of the Elements panel, type Envelope and press Enter. Canva will display a variety of envelope graphics for you to choose from. Browse through the options and click on an open envelope graphic that you like. This will automatically add it to your canvas. You can position it wherever you'd like, but for now, just make sure it's visible and ready to work with. Now here's where things get interesting. Click on the envelope graphic you just added. At the top of the screen, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it, and then on the left sidebar, scroll down to the Tools section and click See All. From the list of tools that appears, select Magic Grab. This feature allows you to separate different parts of a graphic, which is exactly what we need to create the illusion of depth in our open envelope. Next, click on the lower part of the envelope, the flap or the opening area. Once you've selected it, click Grab. Keep in mind that this process might take a few moments as Canva processes the image and separates the layers, so just be patient while it works its magic. After the magic grab process is complete, you'll be back on your canvas. Now click on Elements again in the left sidebar. This time, type Note Card into the search box. Browse through the results and select a note card graphic that fits the style of your envelope. Once you've added it to your canvas, resize it so that it fits nicely inside the envelope opening. You want it to look like the note card is peeking out from the envelope, so adjust the size and position until it looks natural. To finish the effect, you'll need to adjust the layering. Right-click on the note card and from the menu that appears, hover over Layer. Then select Send Backward. This will move the note card behind the envelope, creating the realistic appearance of a note tucked inside an open envelope. And there you have it, an open envelope with a note inside, perfect for invitations, announcements, or any creative project. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.